I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to lock people out of accessing a Netflix profile using the Netflix mobile app. Step 1. Open the Netflix mobile app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device, and then tap your profile icon in the menu on this screen. You'll land on the My Netflix screen. Step 2. Tap the menu icon. A menu pops up. Step 3. Tap Manage Profiles. Step 4. Tap to choose the profile you want to lock someone out of. The Edit Profile screen for that profile is displayed. Step 5. Tap Profile Lock and then tap Create a Profile Lock on the next screen. A window pops up prompting you to enter your Netflix account password before you can make this change. Step 6. Enter your Netflix password and then tap OK. You'll see a prompt to enter a 4-digit PIN code. Step 7. Enter what you want to be the 4-digit PIN code that will be required to access this Netflix profile. That window will close and you'll see a note that the profile lock feature is on. Anyone attempting to access this Netflix profile going forward will be required to enter this PIN code. If you ever change your mind and decide that you want to remove the PIN code for this Netflix profile, all you need to do is navigate back to the profile lock screen for this profile and then tap Delete Profile Lock. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.